Good morning and welcome to Dr. G Cooks. I suppose you're wondering why I have a bagel in my hand. Well, it's because I live in San Francisco and there are no good bagels here. So that has frustrated me over time. And so I've learned how to make my own bagels. And today on Dr. G Cooks, we're going to go over just how to do this, teach you how to make a perfect bagel. So thanks for following Dr. G Cooks. Have a great day. Okay, so what do you need to make these bagels? Let's start with 7 cups bread flour. You need 4 teaspoons of dry yeast. You're gonna need 9 teaspoons of granulated sugar, and finally 3 teaspoons of fine sea salt. I also want you to make 2 separate waters, a 1.5 cup warm water about 140 degrees, and then a 1 cup water also at 140 degrees. In this 1 cup of water, we're going to put in our yeast and sugar. We're not gonna stir, we're gonna let it sit there for 5 minutes and then we'll stir it up. Mix the salt into the flour. Make a well inside of your flour mixture and pour in the yeast and sugar mixture with the water. Next, pour in 2/3 cup warm water. Stir this up a little bit, then add the rest of your water. It'll be about a cup, and then we're gonna mix. Knead in your mixer stand until the dough is nice and firm, probably about 4 to 5 minutes. Once you're done kneading the dough, put it in a large pot. Oil the surfaces, cover, and put it in a slightly warm region of your kitchen. Let it rise for about an hour. It's done when you stick your finger in the middle of the dough ball and it doesn't bounce back. Should take about an hour, could take a little longer, so be patient. After about a 1 hour rise, you'll know it's ready when you can push your finger into the dough and it does not bounce back. This is perfect. As for your toppings, you can be creative, but I like to use a mixture of poppy seed and sesame seeds, minced onion, and minced garlic. You can put these on separate, mix them together, do whatever you want. Be creative, it's your bagel. After you punch down the dough and let it sit for another 10 minutes, divide it into 16 equal pieces. Roll those pieces into a ball till it's somewhat smooth, and then form it into a bagel shape by putting your finger in the center and pulling it out. Once you've formed and shaped your bagels, let them rest for 10 minutes. Then put it into the boiling water with the temperature turned down low. You're gonna put your bagel in, and as soon as it floats, you're gonna wait a minute. Then you're gonna flip it over, wait another minute. If you want it chewier, let it boil for a little longer, maybe an extra minute. Once those bagels come out of the water, put them on a lightly greased cookie sheet. You can use parchment paper or foil, your choice, and then you go ahead and top them. You can see here I have a few everything bagels. I have an onion bagel and 1 plain bagel. You want to pop these in the oven, 425 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes until they're golden brown. Then get ready to enjoy. And there you have it. After 25 minutes of bake time, a bunch of delicious bagels. New York style bagels brought to you in San Francisco. Cut them open, put some cream cheese on or lox or whatever you want. Enjoy.